Hey everyone, Ronnie at Slater. We just put these Nordic Steel gutters in, and we put our brackets. A lot of people might think we overdo our brackets, but I'll show you why it's important. And you just when you're putting your gutters in, it's a beautiful day. You know, it's not raining. There's not anybody, not any load on the gutter. But you got to plan for that load happening one day. And so I'm going to turn this around and show what it looks like. Okay, so we just had the big storm that went all across the country, and we had a really fine sleet. And the sleet didn't have the sticking power that snow has, and it just slid on down. And so basically what happens is this gutter is filled with ice. And because it's a Nordic Steel gutter, because we put enough brackets in on generally 16-inch to 24-inch centers, it can handle this load for a long time. If we had skimmed and only put in half the brackets, we're going to be there's a chance we could overload our gutters, and gutters are expensive, and putting them in is a bit of work. So don't skimp on the brackets, put enough in, and then you can survive these rare events. And I can't tell you how many copper gutters I see that are just destroyed because they can't handle the load and they don't have enough brackets in. But anyway, so Nordic Steel gutters can handle the load. Y'all take care.